Hi, welcome back to Fields BMW. My name's Alex and I'm a Certified BMW Genius. Today we're going to be going over iDrive 7.0 Apple CarPlay. First, go into the car section right here, Settings, General Settings. And if you watched one of our previous videos, we already went over how to connect your mobile device. So go back into mobile devices, and as you can see, again, my phone's already paired. Go over to Settings, make sure Apple CarPlay is selected. Go back, go into your phone, select Connection Mode, Apple CarPlay. Confirm the note, and it'll go ahead and go over. Once you connect Apple CarPlay, make sure you connect that into your phone. That way it can connect with the car and your phone. From the home screen, go ahead at the top, click Apple CarPlay, and you can see it pulls up what appears to be your phone. You have full capabilities as far as your phone calls. Your favorites will show up in there. Your Apple Maps, your Apple Music. You can use Waze, iHeartRadio, Google Maps. All sorts of stuff will show up in here. Definitely play around with it. If you want to go back into the BMW screen, just simply click BMW. It'll take you back to our home screen. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact fieldsbmw.com.